Additionally, your emitter, followed by your pummel, and last but certainly not least, your matching pair of activation plates, which will be your on and off switch. Now, builders, since we explored each and every single part, who's ready to build? Woo. Oh, that's sad, builders. Come on, we're building a lightsaber. Who's ready? Let's build. All right, builders, please take your fiber crystal. You're going to listen to a part of your chassis. And the inside of the little spring to assist you. You'll know it's ready to start once the little windows start lighting up. If it does not light up, or if you have any issues with it, please let me know. This is the hardest part of the building process.
Lights will line up and you'll be able to spin your fiber crystal around.
Then make sure yours is centered in there. Fantastic. So move on to your match curve activation. You need all
Yeah, I have it upside down. Yeah, this is the top. But you know, we can have your crystal like that. Yeah. So this one's very classic. Cassie, look at this.
Move on to your match curve activation.
You're good. You had it. Yeah. It doesn't matter.
On the inside of your matching pair of activation plate is a red square or a blue rectangle. The red square to the red square is covering the fiber crystal. We'll do the same thing on the other side for blue. If it does not match, it will not fail. Red to red, blue to blue. Minding the standard. All set. Apply pressure and twist, keep twisting so you don't have to twist. Excellent. You'll now move on to your emitter, and that's where that hole's going to be. Okay. Choose one of those other parts on the opposite side. How are you feeling about your
How do you like it? Love it? They expect it?
There's four styles: power control, protection defense, elemental nature, and peace and justice. You can always use your style, then you'll choose your crystal. Yes. You choose your style, and you'll hold it out the reps.
What's another? Yeah.
Recording when I stick that in there. You like it? You think I chose right?
You always have to go opposite of what I did.
This is the maximum.
You're going to be putting your blade on this side, right? So I can get a good picture of it.
Any parts you began. With the heart of the Saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Wow, Master Yoda. Builders, the Force must be strong in this room, right here, right now. And he's right. The moment has finally arrived. The moment you've all truly been waiting for. But like each phase we've gone to together as one, we will also activate together as one. And on my mark. So who's ready? Woo! Woo! Builders, please step forward to your stations. Place your hand on your hilts. Take a deep breath. And now, activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers high and proud. You have just built a lightsaber like
Woo!
the Jedi and Sith that have came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. High and proud, builders, show off your work. You may now lower and deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path now, but find your way. It can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. May the Force be with you as well. Thank you, builders. Builders, in your hands, you each hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your brand new lightsaber, we are pleased to present you the Saber Sheet as you depart. Unfortunately, our time has come to an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you all to make your mark on the galaxy. And maybe one day, we as the Gathers will be telling one of your stories, or Noah's or Kobe's stories. But until then, as we say at Black Spire Outpost, tell the Spire!